Good day. I am a work of art. My name is Jonry Toquero. I am 20 years old. I was born in Santa Fe Esperanza, Agusan del Sur, and I still live there today. I am a third year student taking Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. I am studying hard because I want to become a seaman someday and help my family. I believe I am a work of art because my life is still being made. Just like a painting, I am not yet finished. Every problem I face, every lesson I learn, and every dream I have adds color to my life. Sometimes life is hard, but those hard times also shape me into a better person. The art that I love most is music. Music is part of my daily life. When I feel tired, sad, or stressed in school, I listen to a song. And my favorite song is Goodness of God. This worship song reminds me that God is always good and faithful. It gives me strength and hope, especially I feel weak. I am like music because I have my own rhythm. Sometimes I am quiet, sometimes I am strong, sometimes my life is slow and calm, and sometimes it feels fast and challenging. But like a song, I continue to move forward. Um, Art is important in my life because it helps me express my feelings. It gives me peace and comfort in society. Art brings people together. It shapes story, faith, and culture. It inspires people to keep going, even when life is difficult. I may just a simple student from Santa Fe, but I carry a dream in my heart. I am growing, learning, and improving every day. I am not just a student. I am a work of art. Thank you.